Hello, welcome back to another Hot Wheels Redline review. Today we're looking at a 1968 custom T-Bird, part of the original 16 Redlines, or else known as the Sweet 16. Very nice car, great color. There is slight toning and some chips around the vehicle. The black roof is in really good condition. Minor chips. The engine hood opens properly and stays open. There you go. Nice clean engine inside. No broken hinges. Checking out the wheels. It's got good chrome, good Redline, and they all spin fast and free. And I bet you it rolls pretty straight. Not on, look at that. Nice. And checking out the bottom, it's got a really clean bottom, and this one was cast in Hong Kong. Very nice vehicle, and if you'd like to add this to your collection, check out the link in the description below. Hope you liked the video, and see you soon.